In this lecture, we will take a second example for operator overloading. Before proceed, first we revise what is operator overloading. So operator overloading means giving a special meaning to an operator like plus, minus, multiplication, division. In Python, we can change how an operator works for our own class. So we will understand this concept by taking a small example in which we have to create first student class. Okay, each student has marks. Okay, and we want to add the marks of two students. But in this case, student is a user-defined data type. So that is the important part. In this case, a student is a user-defined data type. Means that we have to first create our own class with name student, and we want the addition of marks of two students. Okay, so for that first we have to create a student class. Each student has marks, and we have to add the marks of two students. So for that we have to overload plus operator by using a special method underscore underscore add. Okay, so we understand this question in a practical manner. So for that first we have to design a class student. So in this case first we design student class, and now with the help of init function. Okay, so first that is def underscore underscore, the name of the function is init. With the help of init we can initialize our instance variable. So here I pass marks, and here I write self dot marks is equal to marks. So in this case self dot marks is actually instance variable, and that marks is actually a local variable. If you are feeling confusion, so please change the name. It will also works. For marks we will change to mark. Okay, okay, now it's perfectly good. Okay, if you want to put the same name, then it's also right. If you want to put a different name, so it's also work, because both are different. Okay, if you write self dot marks, so this is actually an instance variable. Self dot marks is an instance variable, and that mar, okay, it behaves like a local variable in this case. Okay, so every student have marks. So for that we have to use init function for initializing our instance values. Okay, now we want to add the marks of two students. So for that we have to overload add function. So for that we have to use add, and inside this we have to return self dot marks plus other dot marks. Okay, how it works, don't worry about it. Other dot marks. Okay, now how it work actually. Okay, so first we create the instance of student class. So for that we have to write like this, like s1 is equal to students. So here we first create the instance of student class. Okay, and inside this we have to pass the marks. Like let us suppose student get 89 marks. Okay, and now we have to create second instance s2, and again we create the object by using a student, and inside this we have to pass 99. So here we create two object. Okay, so one student get 89 marks, and another one get a 99 marks, and we want to add these marks. Okay, so for that we have to create one more reference with name result, and inside result we want s1 plus s2, s1 plus s2. Okay, now it's work because we already overload add function, so I think it perfectly worked. And if we print the result, we will get addition. Okay, so again we run the program, and the output is 188. Okay, if student like have marks like 35 and 45, again we want to check. So 35 and 45, another one have 45 marks, and we want to check. Okay, now it's work, the output is 80. Okay, so it's perfectly work. Means that by using operator overloading concept you can do any of the task. Okay, so like if you want to add marks of two students, so you can easily add. Okay, and so this is a perfect example. Okay, in this case again I revise what actually we do in this question. Okay, so first we create our own class with name student, and we want actually the addition of marks of two students. Okay, So that is actually the problem statement. We want addition of marks of two students. But if we comment this line, okay, if we comment this line, if we comment this line, okay, or we will remove this line. Now think. Now what is the output in this case? Definitely we will get error. Unsupported operand type, okay, plus student is student, because in the backend there is no code. If you want to add the marks of two students, so in the backend plus operator is not overloaded. We don't have any code, and that is the reason we will get error. But again, if we write like this, like we overload plus operator means that we write code to add the marks of two students. Now we have code, and that is the reason if you again run the program, you will get output 80. So I think you will get better understand what is actually operator overloading concept. Thank you.